Hello everyone, and welcome back to Linh Linh House. Today, we invite you to explore the charm of small traditional Spanish houses surrounded by lush green gardens. We'll dive into two inspiring aspects: the timeless architecture and colors, and the beautiful harmony between living spaces and nature. These design ideas will show how tradition and creativity can blend in even the smallest homes. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey into this warm Mediterranean style. Part 1. Architecture Colors. Spanish traditional architecture has a timeless charm that blends warmth and elegance. In small houses, this style feels even more intimate and inviting. Whitewashed walls and curved terracotta roofs create a recognizable silhouette. When combined with modern touches, the design gains fresh character without losing tradition. Color plays a key role in expressing personality and mood. Each shade can transform the atmosphere while keeping the Spanish spirit alive. A classic white wall reflects sunlight beautifully in a lush green garden. It feels fresh, airy, and instantly relaxing. But when you switch to warm cream or ivory tones, the house becomes softer and more romantic. These shades pair perfectly with wooden doors and natural stone bases. Even the smallest change in wall color can shift the entire impression. In design, subtlety often speaks louder than dramatic gestures. Pastel colors bring a playful yet gentle energy to small Spanish homes. A light blue wall can feel coastal, breezy, and full of openness. Soft peach tones create warmth, reminding visitors of sunlit afternoons in the countryside. Such colors work best when balanced with natural materials like stone and clay tiles. They also create harmony with surrounding greenery. This approach lets the house feel rooted in nature while showing a distinct identity. Terracotta remains the soul of Spanish architecture. Its earthy red hue contrasts beautifully with greenery and bright skies. Roofs made from curved terracotta tiles give the house a handcrafted feel. When paired with modern, clean-lined windows, the contrast becomes captivating. It is a meeting of old craftsmanship and contemporary simplicity. This balance makes the home timeless yet relevant. Stone accents add strength and character to the facade. They can frame windows, form a base, or appear as decorative corners. Light-colored stone makes the house feel bright and welcoming. Darker stone offers a bold, grounded presence. In either case, the texture of stone pairs perfectly with smooth plaster walls. It's a detail that quietly elevates the entire design. Arched doors and windows are signatures of Spanish tradition. They soften the overall look and guide the eye gently around the building. This curvature brings a human touch, avoiding the stiffness of sharp lines. When painted in deep wood tones or vibrant colors, they become striking focal points. A simple arch can tell a story of history, craftsmanship, and hospitality. It is small touches like these that keep the style alive. Color harmony between house and garden is essential. Soft walls make plants look greener and flowers brighter. Meanwhile, bold wall colors like terracotta orange can energize the space. Choosing a color palette means thinking about seasons and light. Morning light can make pale walls glow, while sunset deepens warm shades. A well-chosen color will work with nature, not against it. Even the smallest Spanish house can feel grand through its details. It's not about size, but proportion, texture, and light. Carefully chosen colors can make walls recede or stand out. Architectural features like arches and tiles add timeless interest. Every choice tells a story, and every shade has meaning. This is how tradition evolves without being lost. Part 2. Living Space-Nature Connection. A small Spanish house thrives when deeply connected to its garden. The garden is not just a decoration but an extension of daily life. Doors and windows open wide to let in light, air, and the scent of flowers. The boundary between indoors and outdoors becomes beautifully blurred. In such a setting, every moment feels touched by nature. This harmony is the heart of Mediterranean living. Shade is as important as sunlight in Spanish-inspired design. Pergolas draped with climbing plants provide cool resting spots. They create natural frames for the house, making it feel embraced by greenery. Filtered light dances across walls, adding a dynamic, calming effect. It's a reminder that nature can be the best designer. When planned well, the garden feels alive in every season. Paths and courtyards are key elements of this style. Stone or clay tile pathways lead visitors through fragrant shrubs and flowering plants. They give structure to the garden while maintaining a natural flow. A small courtyard can become a private sanctuary, shaded and serene, even in a tiny lot. These features add depth and character. It's about creating experiences, not just spaces. Plants are chosen not only for beauty but also for resilience. Mediterranean species thrive in the climate, reducing maintenance needs. Olive trees, lavender, rosemary, and bougainvillea all fit effortlessly into the scene. They bring scent, texture, and seasonal color. Each plant adds a layer of personality to the home. Together, they create a garden that feels alive and welcoming. Water features bring a sense of peace. Even a small fountain can fill the air with a gentle, cooling sound. Placed near the entrance or in a courtyard, it becomes a focal point. The reflection of water on walls adds movement to the architecture. This interplay between nature and structure is deeply calming. It turns a simple home into a retreat. Outdoor living spaces extend the usable area of the home. A shaded patio or terrace becomes a gathering spot for meals and conversation. In Spanish tradition, life often happens outdoors. Furniture is simple, durable, and welcoming. The setting invites people to slow down and connect. It's as much about lifestyle as it is about design. Natural materials strengthen the connection to the surroundings. Wood, stone, and clay feel warm under the sun and soft in the shade. They age gracefully, gaining character over time. This patina is part of the charm, telling the story of years lived well. In a small house, these textures make the space feel rich and grounded. They create a home that feels like it belongs exactly where it stands. The ultimate goal is harmony between architecture and landscape. The house should feel as if it grew from the earth around it. Every design choice should respect the rhythms of light, wind, and plant life. In this way, the home becomes timeless and enduring. It's not simply a place to live but a way to live. That is the essence of a Spanish home in a lush green garden. thank you so much for watching and spending time with us today. We hope these ideas have inspired you to see how beauty and nature can live together in harmony. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Linh Linh House for more inspiring content. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps our creative journey going. See you in the next video, and until then, stay inspired.